Good morning. Are you Federico Ortiz?
Yes, ma'am.
And will your client waive the formal reading of the motion and the indictment?
He will.
Mr. Ortiz, in cause number 25, DCCR 0589, you're charged with the state jail felony offense of abandoning or endangering a child, and that's from December 1st of 2024. And how do you plead to that charge?
Good.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading guilty because you actually did what they charged you with?
Yes, ma'am.
In that case, I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you sign these, did you go over them with Mr. Rojas?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes.
Do you also understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law?
Yes, ma'am.
State tenders number 1.
No objection.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Ortiz is not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, sir. In that case, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of the state jail felony offense of abandoning or endangering a child. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 12 months in the state jail prison. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. And then, in cause number, let me find it, 24, DCCR 2334, I have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. Shows that you were placed on probation April 10th of 2025 for the offense of burglary of a habitation, and that was a 5-year deferred probation. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
The motion alleges that you violated your probation. Count 1 alleges that you failed to report as directed to the probation department for the months of May and June of 2025, and then also July of 2025. Is that true or not true? And then count 2 alleges that you failed to provide verification of performing the community services required. Is that true or not true?
True.
Then count 3 alleges that you failed to provide verification of completing the theft prevention class as ordered. Is that true or not true?
True.
And then finally, count 4 alleges that you're behind in your court-assessed fees. And is that true or not true?
True.
Did you enter your pleas of true to counts 1 through 4 freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And did you plead true to those counts because they're actually true? I also have here on the tablet, in this case, some documents that have your signature on them that the state's marked as exhibit number 1. Did you also go over this with Mr. Rojas?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you fully understand them?
Yes.
State tenders number 1.
No objection.
It's admitted. Mr. Ortiz, I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 1 through 4 freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent to understand the nature and the consequences of those pleas. Find sufficient evidence at this time to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of burglary of a habitation. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 3 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. In each of these cases, I'm handing you the trial court certifications that shows that there are agreements that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. I've also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgments entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. Firearm is a legal term, and you should read the written admonishment I provided you to see what devices qualify as a firearm. If you have questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk with Mr. Rojas. Good luck to you, sir. You can go back with the bailiff.
Thank you. Thank you.